Dito, 5% lang ang required down payment, may move-in ready, fully finished, 3-story house ka na malapit at accessible lang going to Alabang, Makati, BGC, Taguig at airport. If gantong unit nga din ang hanap mo, then continue watching this house tour video. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido. Kung premium finishing nga lang din ang pag-uusapan, for sure magugustuhan mo tong unit na. Quality material at siguradong polido ang pagkakagawa. And yes, what you see in this house tour video, eto na mismo ang actual deliverable natin. You have a total developed area of 208 square meters at may lot area ka na 80 square meters. Ito nga yung unit na talagang na-maximize ang floor space. Dito sa ground floor, meron kang maid's quarter which is separated from the main house, kaya naman talagang may privacy ang family mo. You also have a spacious laundry area and service kitchen. At sa laki nga ng kitchen mo, panalong-panalo ka na talaga with your U-shaped kitchen counter. Isa pa sa na-appreciate ko dito, separated talaga ang living from your dining and kitchen area. Cove lighting effects, Duco finish cabinets ay kasama na lahat sa ating pack. And here you can even fit 6 to 8 seaters dining set. Upon reaching the second floor, napakaluwag pa ng ating hallway, and here, this will lead you to your master's bedroom na may sariling toilet and bath as well. And syempre, kasama na rin ang mga built-in cabinets sa lahat ng kwarto natin. Plus factor na nga rin na may balcony access ka na rin dito sa master's bedroom. Location-wise naman, panalong-panalo ka dahil 10 minutes drive ka lang to Daang Hari, 15 minutes drive naman to SLEC, 30 minutes drive naman going to airport via Friendship Route. Malapit ka lang din sa mga major establishments katulad na lang ng SM South Mall, Asian Hospital, FEU, Perpetual, Southville, Landers, CEU, Alabang Town Center at marami pang iba. And you have a total of 4 bedrooms excluding the maid's quarter, 4 toilet and bath with provision for water heater, and of course, provision for 1 carport. And yes, you heard it right, dahil RFO na nga to, 5% lang ang nire-require na down payment for you to move in, and the rest can be loanable to bank financing. And syempre, pwede rin ang cash payment. Total contract price starts at 11.9 million pesos only, and down payment can be payable up to 6 months at 0% interest. Another feature pala nitong unit natin is you have your family area na convertible then to another bedroom. And of course, the best part, itong huge balcony space natin. Estimated monthly amortization ay nasa 79,000 a month lang with required income of 230,000 a month. So paano, ito na rin ba ang dream home mo? Connect with our team now through Viber and WhatsApp at see you sa ating tripping. Paalam!